Dear student, you have already come to know what about the derivative in class 11. Now let us take an example. ddx of x cube. What is the answer of it? The answer is 3x square. ddx of x cube plus 1. What will be the answer? The ddx of x cube equal to 3x square and derivative of the constant equal to 0. So answer is 3x square. ddx of x cube plus c. What will be the answer? The same answer you will get because derivative of the constant equal to 0. Let fx, this one equal to x cube, and small fx, this is equal to 3x square. Now you can write these things that ddx of fx plus c, fx plus c because this x cube equals to fx and c is here. So ddx of fx plus c equal to 3x square mean fx. Now one question will be asked to you that whose derivative is 3x square? If you have been asked whose derivative is 3x square, then your answer will be x cube, mean this capital Fx. So what is the name of this capital Fx? This capital Fx is called antiderivative of this Fx or integral of this Fx. Another name of this Fx is primitive. You can write fx plus c equal to integral of fx dx. This formula will provide you all the integral values of fx. Now few formula will be written in the board. That formula you have to write in your copy, then you have to remember it or memorize it. Then according to the formula you have to solve this sum. You see that few formula is already written on the board. This formula you need to write in your copy, then you have to memorize all this formula. This formula will help you to work out most of the sum from integration. You see x to the power n dx, here the formula is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1, opposite of the derivative. Here n plus 1 is added. Integral of e to the power x equal to e to the power x plus c e to the power x dx. See the opposite form of the derivative, when e to the power x by log of e to the base e plus c. C is a integration constant. Formula 4, sin x dx equal to minus cos x. Cos x equal integral of the cos x equal to sin x. Integral sec square x tan x. Cosec square x equal to minus cot x. Integral of tan x equal to log sec x. Integral of sec x tan x equals to sec x plus c. Cosec x cot x integral equals to minus cosec x. And this is the most popular formula, dx by x. Whenever you will solve the sum from the substitution, this formula will be applicable. Integral of dx by x equal to log x. This is the formula, basic formula from 1 to 11. Another formula already written on the board, that is from the 12. Integral of dx by x square plus a square, 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Integral dx divided by x square minus a square equal to 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a. integral of dx by a square minus x square equal to 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x plus c will be there. Formula 15, integral dx root under x square plus a square equal to log of x plus root over x square plus a square. Next 16 and 17, this formula is also important formula, integral of dx a square minus x square, there will be no 1 by a and there will be no 1 by a in formula 15 also. Only sin inverse x by a plus c. And the formula 17, root over a square minus x square equal to x root under a square minus x square by 2 plus x square by 2 sin inverse x by a. Integral root over x square minus x square dx equals to x root over x square minus x square minus x square by 2 log x plus root under x square minus x square with the modulus. Now student, some I have already copied in the board, you see. I will solve it. You try to understand it, and with the help of this example you have to work out the other sum which is given in your book. So first, this sum e to the power 2x plus 3 dx. How to solve it, you see. This with the help of the exponent rule, I can write e to the power 2x into e cube dx. This e cube is a constant. As it is a constant, so it will be coming out from the integration. So e cube integral e to the power 2x dx. Next, e cube. What is the formula of the e to the power mx? E to the power mx formula is e to the power mx by n. So here e to the power 2x. So what can you write? E to the power 2x by 2 plus c. C is a arbitrary constant, integral constant. You have to write. So this is the answer. Next sum, question number 2. Question number 2, you see here x to the power 8 dx is written in the board. The x to the power n dx, which formula was there? X to the power n formula was x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So with the help of this formula, you can write down x to the power 8 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 plus of c. So answer is x to the power 8 plus 1 9 by 9 plus c. Now come to question number 3. Here integrand is x cube minus 1 by x minus 1. So what was the formula of a cube minus b cube? This x cube minus 1, it can be written as x cube minus 1 cube by x minus 1 dx. With the help of the formula a cube minus b cube, you can write x minus 1 into x square plus x into 1 plus 1 square by x minus 1 dx. X minus 1 will cut. Now x square dx plus x into 1 mean x dx plus 1 square mean 1 into dx. Now for the integration, the formula is x square mean x2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. Now x to the power 1, what is the formula? x1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus 1 dx mean x plus integral of dx equal to always x. So answer is x cube by 3 plus x square by 2 plus x plus c. This is the integration of question number 3. Now come to question number 4. Here you see that sec square x dx by root under tan square x plus 4 is written. So this sum will be done with the help of the method of substitution. How to do it? Let tan x equals to z dz dx equal to derivative of tan x equal to sec square x dx, sec square x. Next dz equal to sec square x dx. Now you see this sec square x dx and this value is also sec square x dx. So this sec square x dx can be substituted by dz, and this one equal to, what is the value of tan x? We have already assumed tan x equal to z. So this value will be z square plus 4. Now you remember the formula which we have already written, that integral of dx by root under x square plus a square was log of z plus root over z square plus 4. What is the value of plus c? Now substitute the value of z. Z was tan x, right here tan x plus root over of tan square x plus 4. Mod close plus. So this is a sum where we have used the method of substitution. Another sum which can be done with the help of the method of substitution is question number 5. Here you see e to the power x dx is the numerator and e to the power x plus 36 is the denominator. Let us substitute e to the power x equal to z. dz dx, this one equals to e to the power x. So dz equals to how much coming? E to the power x dx. Now e to the power x dx will be substituted by dz. Here you have 2x was there, sorry, into the 2x was there. Next, then what will be the value of e to the power 2x? This will be e to the power 2x. So z square plus 36. It can be written as dz by z square plus 6 square. What is the answer of it? This is the formula of dx by x square plus e square. 1 by e mean 1 by 6 tan inverse z by 6 plus c. Answer is 1 by 6 tan inverse, the value of z equals to e to the power x by 6 plus c. This is the answer of this integration. Now come to question number 6. It is a different type of sum. How to solve it? Here in the denominator you have seen there is a product of two terms, that is x minus a and x minus b. Among them, any one you assume, suppose x minus a equal to z square. So, what will be the value of the differentiation? After differentiation, which value will you get? Derivative of z square with respect to x. Differentiation with respect to x. How much will be there? Derivative of z square. With the help of the chain rule, 2z dz dx, and this one equals to dx dx, and this one the derivative of the constant term equal to 0. Correct? 2z dz dx equals to how much coming? It is coming 1. Z dz equals to 2z dz equal to coming dx. But this is the value of dx, 2z dz. This can be substituted in the numerator. The value of dx is how much? 2z dz by root under. Now come to this value, x minus a equal to how much? Z square. Write down z square. X equals to, what is the value of x? X equals to z square plus a. Today we can write the value in place of x, z square plus a and minus b was there. It will be coming out, this z square will be coming out from the root z root over of z square plus a minus b. This z will cut. The value of 2 will be coming out. This z equal to root over of z square plus root under a minus b whole square. Now you see integral of dx by root under x square plus a square. One formula we have already written in the board. Integral of dx by root under x square plus a square, how much? Log of modulus of z plus root over z square plus root under a minus b whole square mod close plus c. 2 log of, what is the value of z? Z equal to root over of x minus a plus root under of z square mean x minus a plus a minus b whole square mean a minus b plus of c. Answer is 2 into log root under x minus a, this a will cut root over of x minus b plus. This type of sum we have to do by this way. We come to question number 7. This is a sum where x square minus 1 is given and x square 4 plus 1 we have seen. The method of solving this sum is, first you have to divide both the numerator and denominator with the help of x square. If you divide the numerator by x square, this form will be x square by x square mean 1 minus 1 by x square. And in the denominator, there will be x to the power 4 by x square mean x square plus 1 by x square within bracket dx. Now you know a square plus b square have two formula. One is a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Other formula is a minus b whole square plus 2ab. So here x square plus 1 by x square, this can be represented by this formula a plus b whole square minus 2ab. I have written x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 into a into b. Answer is coming x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2. This one is very important, rough work, you have to do it. Now let z equals to x plus 1 by x. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, dz by dx equals to how much will be there? Dx by dx means 1. And derivative of 1 by x, you know that it is 1 by x square minus 1 by x square. So dz dx will take the form 1 minus 1 by x square. Now dz equals to 1 minus 1 by x square into dx. This value you have already got in the numerator. So this, in place of this 1 minus 1 by x square into dx, we can write down dz. So write it down dz. This one, what is the value of it? I have already written here x plus 1 by x minus 2, x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2. To write down x plus 1 by x, how much was there? Z was there. So you can write down z square minus 2. The formula of dx by x square minus a square was 1 by 2a. This root, this 2 can be written root 2 whole square. It can be written as then 2 into root 2, 2a, 1 by 2a log of how much? Z. Z means z minus root 2 by z plus root 2 plus c. Now the value of z will be written here. Z was how much? X plus 1 by x minus root 2 and x plus 1 by x plus root 2 plus c. This is the answer of this integration. We will send a few homework along with this video. We have to solve this homework. Thank you.